In this video, I'll be showing you how to make any song your ringtone on your Android phone.
But anyways, getting into it, once you're on your phone, you're going to see all your different applications and stuff. To set a custom ringtone, you're going to have to go to your settings application. This works on any Android phone, by the way. So all you want to go ahead and do is swipe up and you can go to settings right here, or you can swipe down on the top right and it's going to show up your control panel. And then what you want to do, once the control panel is shown, press the settings wheel icon on the top right. You're going to see a lot of different things here, but you want to scroll down until you're in sounds and vibration, right under modes and routines. Click on that. The very first option you're going to see is ringtone. So just go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to see a lot of default ringtones for Android and Samsung as well even. And you can literally just go through them. They're going to play automatically. They're also like filtered in like fun, retro, and a lot of different themes. And then also if you want to have a custom ringtone, all you got to do is press the plus icon on the top right, and then it's going to say allow sound picker to access music and audio. So obviously if you want a custom ringtone, you can literally select any music that you have downloaded on your Android or Samsung. So I will just like click this one right here, or I can click this one, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. And then just press done on the top right, and that's it. Now it says custom, and then it shows what custom one it is, and then that's it.